After attacks and looting in Soweto, foreign nationals are now unsettled in the country. Most of them were assisted to take their stock from their stores and relocate to what they felt were safer surroundings. Although they appreciated the help from the police, the foreign nationals say that they were hurt by what has befallen them.
And now I'm just, I come from my country without no peace. I make better to come here, this country. So now you see it in my shop, and they were trying to help the police, but some of them they took it the stuff, and also I'm not feeling well now. I'm worried about myself, if I can be safe or if I can be die now. The people, you can as you see it, the people they are crying now. So I don't know, guys. Good luck.
Johannesburg Metro Police escorted 5 trucks loaded with goods a group of Bangladeshi managed to save when their shops were looted to Furysburg, where they said they would be safer. Police were dispatched on high alert, and the provincial commissioner said that the looting was a result of youth being overzealous.
We're dealing with youth. They group themselves. They go and loot at the shop. When the police arrive, they run away. They go to the next shop. So the police are busy chasing them around. And a number of them came to us and asked for assistance in retrieving their property, the groceries and so forth. Yes, our local police escorted them out of Soweto to where they said that they are going to their boss. So these are employees. These are not owning these shops. They told us that they were going to their boss, and we are giving them assistance as they require, because there are also people that we should protect.
The violence was sparked by the death of 14-year-old Mteteleli Sipiwe Mahori in Snake Park on Monday, who was allegedly shot by a shopkeeper who fired at a group